I think I found some wild reishi mushrooms. What should I do with them? What's up, family? Do you see what I see? Oh my gosh, I was just walking through and I found these beautiful mushrooms. But I don't know enough about mushrooms. And I just have a question. Are these too old for me to harvest? What should I do with them? I recently decided that I was going to start growing my very own mushrooms. However, I was nowhere prepared to come across these just outside of the yard, right? And so I started doing some research. I just don't have enough knowledge. There's a lot of learning, and I need you to help me out in the comments. What should I do? Can I harvest them? Are they too old? What type of mushrooms are these? And you know what's even more ironic is that right after I found these beautiful mushrooms, I was just doing my normal garden work and I found this brand new baby mushrooms. So if I can't harvest the other ones, I'm certain I can harvest these.